I am Bhuvanagiri Satya Sindhuja, founder of Chakraseed Treatments, located at Hyderabad. In 2014, Ayush Ministry formed, and we can see like more work was happening with Ayurveda and yoga, and even we observe Yoga International Day. Likewise, Siddha was not yet been on that platform to open its wings. So very soon, the same push will be needed for Siddha also to have its completion as of like Ayurveda and yoga. If that awareness and that essence will be there regarding Siddha, we can see lot more material, lot more things happening with human and mind. This ancient science has the knowledge back its roots. It is a clear way of martial art before Ayurveda it is. So where you can align body, mind in a designed human nature with the cosmic energy. So this may help you without disease, how you can be, with like pleasantly, peacefully, how can lead your life, how the goals you can set up within, whatever the pressures you are facing now, everything will be cleared in this is the way of living, this is the way of the system where everyone should get inculcated, introduced to this. There is something different where you have to get practice. It is not like a 2 year just will just drop in, learn a course and get certification. It is not like that. Siddha is something where you have to work at cell level. It is a Guru Parampara Vidya. My grandmother, she is like Guru. Like that Guru, with Guru only, this should get established. Under their shadow only, it will be like well defined the system. And until and unless you are complete, Siddha means like complete orientation. Orientation in sense, it comes like body, mind, and how you are leading whole thing at the doing the work at your life. So until you learn how to learn, it is a greatest vital part. It is not related to any education systems. It is unlike, we can predefine this. It is a system of like science where it is theory and practical at one go will be seen, and it minimum takes 12 to 15 years generally to know about the anatomy perfectly. And imagine, beyond the mind, beyond science we work, beyond science Siddha system is working at its own in the higher level, on the superficial level. At the same time, the same connection will be seen at the cellular level. So the energy, life energy, how it travels will be well defined, explained in the way of actions. It is inculcated into the system. Unlike the other systems, we can see like food and apart, everything will be inculcated into this. So Siddha can be the mainstream of healthy way of living. This is like very strict discipline. It is not like taking a prescription or seeing the exercise and doing that. It is like imagining. It is like sitting with them across together. What is their diet? Everything we have to recheck. At what time they sleep, at what how much of physical effort they are giving, how much of positive thought for him and for the society they are giving. In this type, there are like 8 levels of diagnosing. For everybody, we can't do Siddha, to be frank. For everyone, it might not be eligible. Say suppose a patient may coming in the final stage, in the last stage, and okay, Siddha, you said like everything is curable. At that particular point, we can't stop the last breath, right? We can't control over the life. We can make the quality of life, a good span of life, in a healthy and proper way. So it is like a lot of practice. Since 12 years onwards, I am into this profession. And regarding the way of treatment, and the people used to come initially was a bit toughest task. Just we have to make them counsel, we have to make them understand what Siddha is, what are the benefits of Siddha, how you will be get better of that. But out of their frustration, why should we believe? What is like the technique in this to make us to be positive? So these types of questions used to be there a lot. Not only in the single complaint, for all the complaints the same used to be. Later on, they are getting experience, and out of the positive results they are seeing in themselves by practicing a little adjustments in their life. They turn back, they bounce back into normal life. That was making a huge difference. And of course, nowadays those types of questions were not there, but still logically someone or other, if not, if it is not reduced, do you be giving an assurance like that also, they'll be asking. will be telling that it is not assurance given from others, it is assurance you should see within yourself. If the improvement was seen, if the improvement was like going on the positive way, body will be responding, you will be easyless, you will be diseaseless, you will be painless. That is the biggest reward your body mission will be having with you. Just don't depend on all others and try to depend, try to feel within that. That energy makes you, that Siddha is with you. Siddha is like at cell level it works. You can't imagine each cell memory will be sharing its pain. Just if you put that alert, you'll be done. But nowadays, we can see that if we go back to the public and whatever the opinions they have, they doesn't know, oh, cell will be having that memory. Like this, simply they are asking because they are wondering their solution in the outways. But Siddha is like within self it works. Siddha is like with the alignment, the process itself will be curing lots of diseases. 95% diseases are not at all needed any medication. Only just by eating habits you have to set, sitting posture habits you have to set, mind should be fresh, and just you have to follow the day. Just accept that. Yes, academically I'm a software engineer. So I used to work, but for a very short time I worked. And later on, we started officially Chakra Siddha. Chakra means like internally the blockages. Siddha means Siddhinchadam, that energy points with the hands we used to do. That came live from 2002 onwards. And we established in a smaller way, whoever used to come, whatever the best can be done, in that way only we used to do. But later on, just getting the benefits and looking up at the positive results, patients used to come with willingnessly, with heartfully, they want to get better. And now even if you see now also, no need of like explaining me everything like this. Patients will be explaining their personal experiences out of joy. See the happiness, see the painful, if pain was cleared from the body, from the mind, life will be different. Pain is different, you are different. Just you have to make it clear analysis with body and mind, that's it. So like that we started, and we are doing now 200 to 300 treatments in a day with lot of like into variant things, skeletal disorders, nervous disorders, right, and so many things with the mind and everything. And it was going very positive, but still lot work should be done, lot of awareness. This is a high time to make awareness regarding this. Very soon, in next generation at least, we should see the disease-less world. Chakrasiddha will take a best part in the lifetime to serve about the awareness of Siddha. It is being formed for that. It is a baby.